So now it's time to wrap things up. I really hope you liked my class on how to design a typographic logo. We started out today by talking generally about typography and logo type design, and then we went to how to come up with an idea and formulate a thumbnail sketch. And then from that thumbnail, we went to refining our sketch, bringing that into the computer, and then refining that design until we got a nice, clean, vector-based logo. And from that vector-based logo, we went to coloring it, adding texture and dimension. And the possibilities are endless, and it's up to you now to what you want to create. Now remember, you can always go back to the videos if you need a refresh. And also be sure to refer to the PDFs where you can get all the free downloads that I mentioned in the class. And also links to all the materials and resources that I mentioned in the class. And some I didn't mention. And if there's one more thing you could do, please leave me a review if you like this class. And always feel free to send me an email at ray@thevectorlab.com.